Hello all, welcome to this Selenium Python training series. In this session, as part of Introduction to Selenium, I am going to cover what is manual testing. So what is manual testing? Testing performed by the person directly without using any test automation tools is known as manual testing. So what is manual testing? Let me explain here. In manual testing, the testing will be directly performed by the person. Okay. Manual testing, the testing will be directly performed by the person. We generally call this person as a software tester. Instead of using any test automation tools, okay, without using any test automation tools, if a particular person, generally known as software tester, by directly sitting before the computer machine is testing the application by using his or her eyes and hands is known as manual testing. Okay, in manual testing, as I'm mentioning, let's say there's a computer machine, it may be a desktop, laptop, or whatever it is, or a device or whatever it is, and a person, a real person is sitting before the computer machine. Okay, and this person, by using the eyes and hands, by sitting before the machine, is performing the testing of the application. Okay, in this computer, an application is there. That application, that particular person is directly testing by using eyes and hands. That is called as manual testing. In this case, this person is not going to use any automation tools. Okay, in this case, the person is not using any automation tools. Directly, the person is performing the testing. Let me practically demonstrate how the manual testing can be performed without using any automation tools. Suppose if I have to test an e-commerce application, okay, let's say I am the person who is sitting before this machine. So what I will do is, this is a computer machine. Whatever you are seeing on the screen is a computer machine. So what you are going to do is, you're going to open this browser. Manually, I clicked on this browser manually. I am not using any tools to open this browser. And in this browser, I'm going to type the application URL manually. For example, tutorials, ninja.com/demo. This is application URL that I need to test. So press enter. I pressed enter with my keyboard keys on my laptop. And once I went to this homepage of this application that I am trying to test manually, I will enter this. Let's say I want to test this particular search functionality of this application manually. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to enter myself a valid product. Let's say HP product. Okay, HP, I typed myself into the search box field, and myself, I'm going to use my mouse and click on the search button. And using my eyes, I'm verifying whether I got a search results page or not. In the search results, whatever the product I have searched for has been displayed or not, I'm checking. Here, as a person, I'm sitting before the machine directly, and I opened the browser myself, opened the application URL myself, okay, searched for the product myself, and verifying whether the required product is displayed in the search results myself, right? Just by directly sitting before my machine. I'm not using any automation tools in this case, and everything I'm performing is manually. So this kind of testing, where we are checking whether the functionality of the application is working fine or not by using our eyes and hands without using any test automation tools, is known as manual testing. So hope guys you understood what exactly is manual testing. In manual testing, a real person, we generally call that person as a software tester, by directly sitting before the computer machine by using eyes and hands, the person will perform the testing in a manual way by manually typing the URLs, manually opening the browser and all those stuff. Okay. So this testing is called as manual testing. So hope guys you understood what is manual testing in this session. In the next session of this Selenium Python training series, I'm going to explain what is automation testing. So stay tuned. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.